So today I'm going to show you how you can close a Centtrip card. This might be because you've ordered the card for a particular project which is now finished, so it's no longer needed. And you can do this within your account from the Manage Cards section down here. So I'm going to start by using the filters to help me locate the card I want to close. I'm just going to remove any that are already closed here and then click Update. Or we can just use the search if we know the cardholder name, for example. So I'm going to search for Calvis. There we go, and there's two cards. I don't want to close both of them, I just want to close this one here. So all I need to do is click it. Double check this looks like the right card, which it does, and then just scroll down and then you simply click Close Card at the bottom here. I get a little prompt asking me if I'm sure, and then I just click Close the card. So there we go, that's now been closed. Any funds that might have been left on the card will be returned back into your Centtrip account, but that card has now been closed and can no longer be used.